Hi guys, naghanap ka ba ng another meme coin? No? Ito yung Shima. Shima is a gamified platform where every action feels like a quest. Shima gamified, Shima DApp, and white paper. So let's visit the white paper first guys. So welcome to ShibaNet. Ayan, kung ano yung nasa website is yun din yung nandito sa ating white paper. The SHIM token. Okay, the SHIM token, introduction SHIM token stands as the core of the ShibaNet ecosystem, representing a significant stride towards innovation in the digital asset space. It is designed to facilitate transaction, incentive participation, and drive the growth of the platform. SHIM is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a utility token with a clear purpose within the ShibaNet environment. Overview and core function. BEP20 standard, so it is BNB chain guys, the SHIM. If you want to buy, just connect your MetaMask wallet guys, okay? So dashboard, pre-sale, ayan, nandito na pala. So wala pa, 00 SHIM, estimated USD valued at wala pa. Proto Seeker, ayan, so pre-sale, recent pre-sale guys, ayan, available. So last pre-sale niya is noong May 16, 2025 guys. So stage 1 by SHIM now for raised pa lang pala to, 622,860. So ano to? So connect your wallet lang guys. Ayan, connect MetaMask wallet. Ayan, connect lang natin. And then pwede kayo mag-switch network dyan. Ayan, sa BNB. Approve nyo lang. Kala ko may ano na siya. Ayan, so kailangan lang ng BNB chains. Wala pa tayo nun sa ating MetaMask wallet. Your total tokens, 0. Hindi pa tayo bumili. Shima token. Eto siya guys. So 50% ang public sale ecosystem. 20% GameFi reward, 10%, 5% sa team. Meron na naman silang Katkong and 7% marketing. 8% development guys. Okay, Shima ID. Ayan, so may pa-ID pa. Unknown level, gem, and GSHIM. Ayan, may ID dito. About sa Telegram, Shima gamified. Is the world of Shima, every tap is a battle and every victory brings you one step closer to becoming a legend. Ayan, may tap to earn pala sila dito, no? So total players nila is 2.6 million. Ito yung Telegram application niya. Tap to earn lang siya, no? I-click nyo na lang yung link natin dyan sa ating description down below. So total in-game coin is 20 billion GSHIM. So may staking din. Lock SHIM to earn more SHIM. Okay, so 12 weeks ang locking period. And Shima DAO, all polls natin to. Layer 2 migration for faster transaction, multiplayer mode, ayan. How should staking rewards distributed on the next season? Bonus reward for top 10 leaderboard stakes, 1 votes, ayan. Isa lang bumuboto, walang matyagang bumubote guys. May DEX, swap, ayan, Uniswap and cross-chain available. So block chat, okay, ayan, pwede kayo dyan makipag-chat kung sinong gusto nyo i-chat. And dashboard, ayan, so yun lang naman guys, no, about dito sa Shima token na to. Kung trip nyo itong token na to, pwede kayong sumali sa kanilang play to airdrop sa kanilang Telegram or bumili mismo ng kanilang token, no, para pagdating sa pre-sale is goods na kayo, meron na kayong kanilang token kung pumaldo nga itong meme coin na to. So Shima BNB chain gamified. Ayan, yung kanyang mismong website. Check natin to. Ano to? So, Shima gamified. Ayan. Kung sino ba siya, tungkol saan. Sa BNB chain, DApp Bay. Ayan. So, total coin, 2 billion SHIM. Ang dami. Total players, 2.6 million. Sobrang dami nun. Tokenomics, information. Smart contracts. Tignan natin to. Ayan. Smart contracts address, okay, so total supply, core functionalities, security and ownership, liquidity lock, 99 years, tindi, 1% of total supply, max buy limit. So marketing and fee distribution, the contract automatically swap marketing fees to BNB to send them to the marketing wallet. So summary natin, standard BEP20 token, ang kanyang gamit, adjustable tax system, automatic liquidity locking, manual trading activation, and anti-whale protection para sa mga whales natin. So, sino pang bibili kundi yung mga whale? Ayan. So, yun lang muna for today's video. Again, maraming salamat. Bye-bye.